Welcome to MetaMask versus MyEtherWallet, MEW. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description for easy access. In this video, we'll dive into the features, user experience, and security of both wallets, so you can decide which one suits your crypto needs best. MetaMask is a browser extension and mobile app wallet designed for Ethereum and compatible networks like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. Its primary appeal lies in its integration with decentralized applications, DApps, DeFi protocols, and NFT platforms. It's easy to use, supports token swaps directly within the wallet, and allows users to manage multiple wallets seamlessly. As a hot wallet, it provides convenience, but requires users to be cautious with private keys and phishing risks. It's a perfect fit for users who are heavily engaged in Web3 activities or frequently interact with Ethereum-based tools. On the other hand, MyEtherWallet, MEW, is a web-based interface that allows users to interact directly with the Ethereum blockchain. MEW is not just a wallet, it's a gateway to managing Ethereum assets, including tokens, staking, and interacting with smart contracts. It supports hardware wallet integration, offering an added layer of security when combined with devices like Ledger or Trezor. Unlike MetaMask, MEW does not serve as a dApp browser, but provides robust tools for advanced users, including custom gas settings and offline transactions. It's particularly appealing to users who prefer a direct connection to the blockchain and prioritize customization and control. The key difference comes down to user intent. MetaMask is ideal for those immersed in the Web3 ecosystem, providing seamless dApp and DeFi interaction. MEW, however, caters to users looking for a straightforward yet powerful way to manage Ethereum assets, with advanced security options like cold storage integration. Both wallets are excellent, but serve slightly different audiences. Explore both options using the links in the description and share your thoughts on your preferred wallet in the comments below.